how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the language in Gizmo. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to your account's dashboard. And from here, you will be able to see your account icon at the top corner of your screen. You just want to click on setting. In here, you're inside the basic setting of Gizmo. There's going to be the account language. So of course, if you want to change it, you can just head over to the language setting itself. And as an example, let's go ahead and change this into something like the English UK. And basically from there, with a single click of a button, we're good to go. And if you're on your mobile, it's going to be the similar process. Head over to setting, and that's going to be it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.